Hey, beautiful. Welcome back to the Perfectly Imperfect Moms podcast. I'm your host, Ashley Renee. I'm a mom, a mental health advocate, and your friend who built peaceful income around healing my own trauma, being a mom first, and learning how to parent myself and parent my daughter with patience that I did not always have. This space is not for highlight reels. It's for the real, raw, messy moments that you never post, but you always kind of carry on your shoulders. So if you're a mom who's doing all the things, you're showing up, believing in yourself, putting in the effort, and still wondering why nothing's working yet, I want you to know that it's not just you needing a better mindset. It's needing a capacity to hold it all at the same time. And I want to share with you today what I mean by that. When I first started earning an income from home while raising my daughter, I was doing the work. I was taking all the courses. I was posting on social media. I was learning, staying up late, trying to get it right because I wanted to help contribute financially so bad. But for a while, it just wasn't working. And I felt like I was failing everywhere in my life. I was overwhelmed. I was not the kind of mom that I wanted to be, the present, calm, happy, confident version of myself. And the worst of it was I thought I was the problem, that there had to be something wrong with me. I got really frustrated when my posts weren't making sales and somebody suggested I take a mindset course. I was irritated at the idea at first, but it honestly did change a lot for me because it helped me retrain my brain in ways that I didn't even think were possible. I had suffered with depression and anxiety since I was a kid. I was actually diagnosed with major depression and anxiety disorder at age 14. So I used to be the person that didn't believe you could just flip a switch on depression. I couldn't just shut it off. But that course actually helped me see the power of my thoughts, how it actually shapes your reality. It made me acknowledge how I was talking to myself and how I showed up for myself. And it doesn't happen overnight. Mindset work is like going to the gym. Instead of working for those abs, you're working out your brain. And the more you show up, the stronger it gets. The less you show up, you're probably not going to get the results you want. So it took a while, but I kept showing up. And for the very first time in my life, I truly believed that I mattered just as much as everyone else around me, and that I was allowed to have feelings, to take up space, that I didn't have to shrink myself just to make others feel comfortable. And that was a huge shift for me. But even after all of that, I was still burning out. I was still overwhelmed. I was still the angry mom. Because here's what no one told me. Yes, mindset matters, but capacity makes it sustainable. It's not just what you believe or you tell yourself. It's what your body, your brain, and your life can actually hold in that moment. You could have the strongest mindset, great confidence, but if your nervous system is constantly in survival mode, or your schedule is unrealistic, or you're trying to build something new, while carrying a baby on your hip, you will hit a wall. I did. I hit it over and over and over again. Not to say that it's impossible, because it's definitely possible, but trying to learn sales, marketing, content, messaging, and juggling nap times, teething, plus my own postpartum anxiety, it's not just hard. It's a whole new level of emotional and physical demand. Doing anything while raising a baby takes skill, but building a business while raising a baby takes capacity. And that's what nobody was teaching back then. Nobody said that you don't just need more belief in yourself. What you need is a simple business plan with sales basics that don't make you feel like you're pretending to be somebody else, like you're pushy or fake. You need nervous system regulation so that you don't spiral anytime you're stressed out. You need a schedule that works with your natural cycle and rhythm, not against it. And you need the permission to be able to grow at your own pace and in a space where you're supported and encouraged, not pushed to hustle harder. When I realized all of that, things started to finally shift for me. I gave myself grace. I actually allowed myself to rest. I actually made more progress by moving slower. I asked people for help when I needed it, and I learned how to build something sustainable, even if it wasn't perfect the first time. I did not build the peacefully paid roadmap just because I wanted to make money. I built it because I was so frustrated watching other women like me burning out, trying to do it all, and watching gurus gatekeep and repackage the same information into a new deal just to get more money out of you, and watching programs overpromise and underdeliver over and over and over again. So I decided to build something for us, something that's affordable, something that is self-paced, low pressure, but gives you everything that you need, no BS, and designed for you to do it around your chaotic mom life, not in spite of it. You don't have to sacrifice it because you deserve more than just mindset tips and hustle hype. You deserve a real guide from someone who actually gets what it's like to build with a tiny person. And look, I am not promising a magic fix because I can't predict how it fits into your life. I'm not you. But I am promising that you don't need to work harder. You just need a system that works for you. So if you're sitting on the other side of the screen and thinking, I've done all the work, I believe that I can do this, but I am still struggling, please hear me when I say that you are not failing. There's nothing wrong with you. You're not behind on anything. You're just carrying way too much. You've carried it for way too long and with not enough support. That stops right here because you do matter. Your needs matter. Your dreams matter, even if you're still learning how to juggle them. So if you need a space where you can be real, you can take things at your own pace and actually get real support, I would love for you to come join us inside the Perfectly Imperfect Moms community. It's free, it's safe, it's full of moms just like you, showing up with messy hair, open hearts, and big, big dreams. And if you're ready to build a peaceful income from home, check out Peacefully Paid. It is $47, a step-by-step guide. The name says it all. You're going to learn how to build an income around peace and sustainability because it should feel that way, not pressure filled. And I want you to know that you've got this. You're doing much better than you think. And I can't wait to see you next time.